Let's end where we began. How do clouds that weigh over 1 million pounds float over our heads? By now you've probably figured it out. It has everything to do with density of air molecules and pressure. Notice the pattern in these student models. Warmer, less dense air is a sign of low pressure. Colder, denser air is a sign of high pressure. Low pressure rests atop high pressure. In this meteorologist's model, notice how the terms pressure and weight are used interchangeably? Well, that's because air pressure is a measurement of the atmosphere's weight. The denser the air mass, the greater the weight. And you can't have weight without gravity. We all live here on Earth at the very bottom of a sea of air, atmosphere, that's being pulled toward the surface of the Earth by gravity. The closer to the surface, the higher the pressure as gravity pulls the air molecules downward. So just like a giant ocean liner on the sea that doesn't sink in spite of the fact that it's super heavy, clouds, as heavy as they are, they don't sink through our atmosphere either.